Ksiar Kapatisi TV.
Pulit MBBS ha India ne Shabar ri kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines bat kiwe de kiri. Kidi kitop medical colleges bat ru ha kador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Office Jangka Director General of Police ka Jilla hakar pusantri unaitung aracar apusan klepen kubrom yuba Alan Marbenyang bat kong Wanda len Simyong ki aru ki Pulit ka Jilla Meghalaya ki beloyok kore ka Takma Ksiar hakal nempung ilakai World Police and Fire Games ka belalong ha Birmingham, Alabama, USA. Ringkat lang kejing saki jangki Pulit officer bagi nang syakot ngobha hakal jingalang ka belalong ha uso sotham auditorium Dikini Arngut Pulit, lapan kup buram do sembut medirang ba katanat kampo iyeng kejela, ubat Preston Tensong, haringkan kejing sakilang jauh menteri katanat sport sebab Syakir Wajri, bat kiwe ki officer ke Sorka Jela.
The story of both Wanda and Alan is really inspiring. Wanda is a mother, and despite that, her daily routine is something which we really need to learn from. She gets up at 3 every morning, and between 3:30 a.m. and 6 a.m. she goes for her training. She comes back home, does her completes her household chores, prepares the tiffin for her children, drops them off to school, and comes on duty. Does her duty, goes back home, does all the other preparations and all the other things that are needed to be done, which are the mandate of a mother, and on that, and in between, tries to slip in some more training time. This is a routine that is repeated day after day. It is not without a lot of sacrifice. She has this dream of getting great achievements, and I'm so happy that she has come back today with not one but 2 gold medals. Sir, I would like to say that the Meghalaya Police I was talking to some of my colleagues and batchmates across the country. They were saying that, Meghalaya Police, only 2 of you. Only 2 you're sending as representatives for the Meghalaya Police. The World Police and Fire Games. I had the last laugh, sir, because our 2 came back with gold medals. And not 1, but 3. The willingness to stand up to challenges, the willingness to dream and to make those dreams a reality. This is something which I would like all of Meghalaya Police to look as an inspiration and to realize that whatever we dream, we can do it. It's just a matter of determination.
The police department has a lot of individuals who are very talented in terms of sports. And I really do feel that with the discipline that they have, the dedication, the hard work, today maybe we're felicitating 2 individuals who have brought medals for our country. Maybe in the years to come, hoping especially for the national games, we will see more and more individuals from the police department winning medals for our state in the national games as well.
I just wanted to remind all of us, on behalf of the government, we have 2 special human beings, being our own daughter, Wanda Simyong, being our own son, Alan Marbenyang, of the Home Department and also the citizen of the state of Meghalaya. The whole state this moment congratulate the achievement made and also the laurels brought by you to a small state like Meghalaya. To get gold medal in the universe, I think it is only a dream for the state of Meghalaya, being the smallest state. But let me tell you, it has happened through our brother and sister, and I'm very sure it will also be inspired to all of us today and also in the days to come. Friends, let me tell you, the state sports policy is now being implemented, it is now being enforced. Our sports minister has just mentioned that special recognition will be followed for these two young son and daughter of the state of Meghalaya. And let me tell you, in the policy, if you go through line by line, clause by clause, there is a provision which was already provided that special recognition, especially for those employees who already in the government, promotion has to be considered to them. That is one special.
Okay, everyone look here, please. Okay, ready? Ready, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and one more. 1, 2, and 3.
วัดเป็นเลนเอยากนิกาบูกิศพที่โทกิบบ้าบัดช่องดอร์นาดูสาวพหจาร์ฮัดูหันริวพหจาร์ติงกามันตาพิลาบันโยฮักดอร์ไลพหจาร์ติงกายากิศพที่โทบัดช่องดอร์หินโยพหจาร์เชนงพินโยตังสันพหจาร์ติงกาตังกตากะเวกิศพที่กะเดกะเวกดีไซน์ตังนักบินตาจงพีวันเจนอกลอยนามอลายโมโรบัดนามดพรันพูนอมันตาเฮาคนได้สาวไลหันริวสันพราหินโยไลพรา